Okay, good day, and we are Team Jam. I am Micaela Yisbel Cañas together with Alisa Nicole Argoncillo and Jerry B. Mata, and we are the developers of TBhon app. So we'll walk you through a full boot screening session, which includes staff intake, symptom checklist, and cough and sputum capture on our IoT device, ML analysis, and the fuse charge result. So I'll start with login and the patient intake. So here I log in as a booth staff and open the home screen. So here is the home screen, which includes some information about our app, and I tap start screening. So the staff instructions remind us that this phone runs the session and the boot device captures cough audio. So I tap start session and the app creates a new screening record on the server. So on the patient type, I choose new patient for those who are first time at this booth. So or on the client, or rather the patient intake, I enter the patient details. Okay, so in this part, you put the identity of the patient, which includes the name, birthday, and here are the current address of the patient as well as contact number of the patient. And I skip the emergency contact and government ID for this demo, and review the summary and tap continue. So next is the symptom checklist. So there are 11 yes or no questions and one per screen. So I ask the patient and tap their answer. For this demo, we mark yes on cough lasting 2 weeks or longer. And yes for night sweats. Yes for unexplained weight loss. And yes for close contact with someone who has TB. And the rest is no. So on the checklist summary, the app shows how many symptoms were reported and there is a concern level. And I tap continue to the device cough capture. And that's my part. And Jarek Mata will run the cough and sputum capture on the booth device.
I'm on the cough capture screen. The patient will cough into the booth device 3 separate times. Now, for slot 1, saved. Slot 2, saved. Now, for slot 3, saved. So now, all 3 slots are complete. Now, I will tap continue. On sputum capture, I prepare the smear on the slide. Then, start capture on the booth device. The smear image is captured and attached to the session. If sputum is not available, tap skip. Select a reason. Fusion will use checklist and cough only. Everything looks complete, so now I tap analyze. The processing screen uploads the cough clips and sputum image, runs cough ML and sputum ML, then fuses them with the checklist into one triage risk. The cough model scores each valid clip. The sputum model classifies the smear. The app combines all 3 into a low, moderate, or high risk band. Processing is done. Staff review is next. Alisa will confirm the result and show it to the patient.
Now for the results. Here we'll see the risk level along with the photo of the sputum smear, but since the smear was skipped, we can't see any photo yet. We also see the QR for the patient to use to access the result and create their patient accounts, if they are new patients. We also see a portion of the risk from the Fusion model. And we'll be able to save the PDF and send it to the patient so that they can create their account later through the QR. Now, to add more to this session, we can go to History, Session Details, and here we'll be able to add a sputum smear. So now we click the orange button. This process will be the same for screenings, where the sputum was not skipped. It still goes through analysis, and then the probability for the sputum smear will be combined along with the partial risk result. Now, as you can see, the risk level is lower and was different than the previous. The previous risk level was 90.8%, Well, now the risk level has lowered to 90.6%. It has been changed due to the additional risk level that has been provided, which was from the sputum smear that changed the results based on its calculations. The session results are updated, and now the sputum image reflects the session, along with the new risk level and the added partition of the sputum image. If the patient creates an account with the QR from the PDF without the sputum smear, this is how the results look on their end. Finally, that is what the results look like after sputum screening is added.